Okay, good day. So in this video, you're going to learn how to solve problems involving sampling distribution of the sample means. And this is the third and last lesson do sa ating topic na sampling and sampling distribution. Okay? From the previous lessons natin, medyo natutunan nyo na kung paano um, mag-solve, okay, ng mean and variance of the sampling distribution of the sample means. At ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, yung ating concept of the central limit theorem ay alam nyo na rin. Okay? At nabanggit ko sa inyo, as n, random sample size n becomes larger, yung ating sampling distribution of the sample means is approaching to a normal distribution. Okay? And regardless kung anong shape pa ng ating probability distribution. And for this lesson, we have one objective only. And our objective is, at the end of the lesson, you're expected to solve problems involving sampling distribution of the sample means. Now, meron tayong mga kailangang i-recall na topics, pero review nyo na lang yung topic ng normal distribution. Kasi sabi nga doon sa central limit theorem, yung ating sampling distribution, kapag yung ating sample size n becomes larger, yung ating sampling distribution ay papalapit na papalapit dun sa ating normal distribution. Kahit ano pa ang shape ng ating population distribution. So therefore, if the sampling distribution is approaching to normal distribution, therefore we can use the normal probability curve in solving probabilities natin involving sampling distribution. Okay? So, kailangan buksan natin yung ating mga notes dun sa topic ng normal distribution kung paano pagkuha ng z-score o paano mag-convert ng x-score to z-score at kung paano paggamit ng ating z-table in finding the probability or area in the normal curve. At what else? Gamitin yung scientific calculator in finding the area sa ating normal curve. I-recall na rin natin. Okay? And I have here the formula kung paano ma-solve yung ating mga problem involving sampling distribution of sample means. We have z-score, that will be x bar o yung ating mean of the sampling distribution minus the population mean all over the population standard deviation over square root of n, where n is our sample size. So we have x bar is sample mean. We have the population mean, population standard deviation, and n is the sample size. And we have steps to be followed in order for us to solve problems involving sampling distribution of the sample means. The first step is we identify the given information. So, ibig sabihin, we write down the given to sa ating problem. The second is identify what is asked for o yung ilagay natin kung anong nire-require sa atin sa problem. And number 3, we're going to identify the formula to be used. Although isa lang yung binigay kong formula kanina, actually there are two formulas na pwedeng gamitin natin dito. Depende kung anong given data. Kapag ang given data natin ay individual, okay, yeah, individual data obtained from the population, ito ang gagamitin nating formula. And this is about normal distribution. Okay? And if we're dealing to a data na kung saan sample data siya, okay, o data about the sample means, ang gamitin nating formula is z equals x bar minus mu all over the sigma all over square root of n. Okay? And the fourth is we solve the problem, and the last step is we state the final answer. Okay? So we write something about the computed value natin do sa ating step number 4. Okay? Or we write a conclusion. Now, going to give you examples on how we're going to solve problems involving sampling distribution of the sample means. So, mga 3 or 4 examples. So, thank you.